In class 11, we are on chapter number 6, trial balance and rectification of errors. And in that chapter, already I explained you trial balance, and then in the previous class, I explained you about different types of errors. If you have any doubt in that topic, you can see the previous videos. Rectification of errors. So before, you should know there are 4 types of errors. Errors of principles, errors of omission, errors of commission, and compensating errors. So first of all, I want to tell you that there are 4 types of errors. First is error of omission. Omission means you forgot to enter into the books, fully or partially. Fully means the complete amount you are not recorded, or partially means some part. Like the sale of 5,000 not recorded in the books. That is error of omission fully. Then next, partly or partially. The sales is of rupees 5,000 but entered in the books as rupees 500. That is partially omission. Okay. Then next is commission. Commission means clerical error. Error of commission means wrong totaling, wrong balancing, wrong carry forward, wrong posting, wrong transfer, undercasting, overcasting of the total. That is error of commission, which is man-made error. Okay. Then error is of principles. Error of principles means using wrong principles of accounting system. This is errors of principle. This is not the man-made error, we can say this is conceptual error. Lack of information, lack of knowledge is the reason of errors of principles. Like the difference between asset and goods purchase, that may be occur. Or one more example, like you are giving salary to your employee. Then according to double entry system, the salary will be debited. But if you are debiting the receiver, your servant, then this is the error of principles. Principles means rules, regulations, or the rules of entry you are following wrong, you don't know about that. Then last is compensating errors. Compensating error means one error nullifies the effect of another error. That is compensating errors. Okay. So for learning point of view, you can learn OC, PC. OC, PC. O, omission. C, commission. P, principles. C, compensating. So see, my dear children, compensating error nullifies the effect. So not effect on trial balance. Principles means rules wrong, that is also not affected the trial balance total. Then still these are the errors in the books. Then how to search them? So now today I am going to explain you how to search these errors, how to rectify these errors. That's the name of the chapter, na? ROE. Rectification of errors, how you will find out the errors. See my dear children, this is the last error I explained you. You can see the previous videos. Compensating errors means one error nullifies the effect of another error. Then how to search the errors? Look at the screen. Yes, how to search the errors? Look here. First of all, how to search the errors means how we can find out the errors. First, we should recast the total of debit and credit. What will be the step to search the error? First, total the debit side and total the credit side again. Recast means maybe there is some total by your side only. So you have to total the debit and credit column. Then compare. The account had an amount. Means maybe you are posting the wrong amount. In place of 5 lakh, you are posting 5,000 or 50,000. That may be the reason. When you compare both the heads, then compare the balance of current year with the previous. Direct, don't go on searching or rectifying the errors. First, find out, search the errors. Compare the current with the previous year. Then you will find out that the value of building is 5 lakh in previous year and 5,000 in current year. Then check the correctness of balances transfer. Check the correctness of the posting. Maybe the posting is wrong. Just now I told you na, the purchase value of building is 5 lakh and in the books you are entering through 5,000. 2 zeros you forgot. That will be the reason of difference in trial balance by 4,95,000. So first step is to search the error. Generally we can rectify the errors in the initial stage. Total it, check the total again, check the balances again, check the posting again, carry forward again. Maybe there is not error, then you can compare the error with the previous trial. Or this will be the second step, a second method is also very useful. When you compare the account with the amount, then you can find out. Like in the account, that sales is shown as 42 lakh and new trial balance in the balance amount is 4,20,000. Then there will be the difference. So these are the searching of errors. How we can search, how we can find out the errors. These are the ways to find out the errors. First of all, again do the total of debit and credit, compare them, compare the current year's trial balance with the previous year, check the balances, check the carry forwards. Okay, shall we move? Note it down. Note it down. Okay, then how to rectify? This is the first step, my dear children. First of all, you should find out where you are lacking, where is the problem, where is the error. So searching of errors, generally searching of errors, total, compare and find out the balances. Then how to rectify. First of all, there are various ways, but first is rectification of errors which do not affect the trial balance. Find out those errors. Just now I told you, error of compensating, not affect the error, not affect the total of trial balance. Why? Because there will be nullify of the amount of error. Then error of principal. In place of machinery purchase, purchase account debited. Debited means entered in the trial balance. Rule is wrong, but trial balance will be matched. Complete omission. If you forget to enter in the debit or credit both the sides, then the trial balance will match automatically. But still there is some error. So, rectification of errors are of various types, by various types. First, which do not affect the trial balance. Then it's difficult to find out because trial balance total is matched, but still there is some mistake in the books. So committed in two or more accounts. This is known as two-sided errors. See, the errors are generally of three types: one-sided, two-sided, multiple. So here multiple means three-sided, or multiple means, I'll explain you when various accounts are affected through one transaction. So committed in two or more accounts, so two-sided errors. Now how to rectify it? Two-sided errors are rectified by general entries, giving the correct debit and credit to the concerned account. The account which is wrong will be given reverse effect. Okay? So complete omission is the example, wrong recording is the example, error of principle. Wrong recording means what? See, I have given 5,000 rupees to Tanish and in the books I have recorded only 500. So that is the error of 4,500 rupees, but recording is wrong. Initial step is wrong, which will not give any impact on trial balance. Okay, so that is wrong recording. Shall I move or you want to note down? Okay, then next. Errors which do not affect the trial balance. Just now I told you now some errors will not affect the trial balance. Then how to rectify them? Just now I gave you the example that is also known as two-sided errors. So steps in the rectification process. Note down what are the steps. Then it will easy for you to learn. First, cancel the effect of wrong debit or credit by reversing it. Just now I told you, Achal, please copy the notes. By reversing it. Reversing it means the wrong debit will be transferred to credit side. Okay? Then it will nullify. Or restoring the effect of correct debit or credit. If that is correct debit or credit, then enter it. Wrong to be reversed and correct to be restored. Restore means again you have to enter. So wrong debit will be reversed. Tomorrow we will do the numericals, don't worry. Today we are doing the theory part. Tomorrow I will explain you how to reverse it, how to give the correct restoring. Okay, these 2 points you have to note down. This is the theory part. Now, rectification of errors which affect trial balance. That is the problem. That will affect the total of trial balance. And it is saying clearly that the total of debit side is 5 lakh and total of credit side is 4,50,000. Then the problem arises where the 50,000 gone. That is known as one-sided error. 50,000 total is less in credit side. It is shown by the trial balance. It affects the trial balance. Then which type of errors are affecting the trial balance? We can say one-sided error. One-sided errors affect the trial balance that will committed in one account. These are error of casting, error of carry forward, error of balancing, error of posting to correct account but wrong amount. Second, correct account but on wrong side. And third is blunder. Wrong side, wrong amount. Tanishk, are you not copying down the notes, beta? You don't want that. What are the types of one-sided errors? In the exam, you can get the question. Write about any 4 examples of one-sided error. What are one-sided errors? One-sided errors are those errors which affect the trial balance, total of trial balance, and they are committed in one account. That's why it is known as one-sided errors. Errors of casting, errors of carry forward, errors of balancing, error of posting to correct account but wrong amount, correct account but wrong side with wrong account, wrong amount. Nayak Bajaj, have you copied down all the example of one-sided error? These are the examples of one-sided error, and one-sided error affects the trial balance. Now, rectification of errors which do not affect the trial balance. Already we have done. Now, note down the next. Steps in the rectification process of one-sided error. Note down, children. Steps in the process of one-sided error. Rectification process. One-sided error, how you can find out? How you can find out that these are the errors? Steps in the rectification of errors with suspense account. Suspense account. Then one-sided errors always rectified by suspense account. First, identify the account affected. Identify the account affected due to error. One-sided errors are always rectified with suspense account because another account we can't find. Akshi, note down the notes, beta. If you are not copying the notes, then there will be problem for you. Find the amount of excess debit credit or short debit credit in the affected account. Now, see, I am telling you about one-sided error. Tomorrow I will explain you numericals. One-sided errors are rectified by suspense account. If the error results in excess debit or short credit, means debit is excess, then what you will do? Debit the suspense account and credit the affected account. So that will be nullified. See, I am giving you the excess debit. Then debit the suspense account. Short credit, then credit the affected account. Ultimately, the suspense account will be debited. See, one-sided error means error in one account, and that will affect the trial balance. Then how to rectify it? Rectify it through suspense account, and in the suspense account there are 2 conditions: excess debit or short credit, and short credit, excess debit. Short debit, excess credit is the second condition. What will you do? Just reverse it. Excess debit, then debit the suspense account. just reverse it. If the error results in excess credit or short debit, just reverse of it. First note down, excess debit in purchase account. What to do? Just do that. Then next, if the error results in excess credit or short debit, excess credit is more than debit, then open the suspense account in credit. It is the easiest way to learn. If excess credit, then credit the suspense. If excess debit, then debit the suspense. Short credit, credit the affect account. Short debit, debit the affected account. It is the easiest way. Otherwise, in the books, thousands of entries are given and it is very difficult for you. So, one-sided errors means those errors. Tanish, please copy. Those errors which affects the total of trial balance rectified with the help of suspense account occurs in one account only, maybe overcasting, maybe undercasting in one account, wrong posting in one account, all errors are rectified with the help of suspense account. And because these are one-sided errors, so that's why they will be the reason of difference between total of trial balance. So that will be rectified with the help of suspense account. If the error results in excess credit or short debit, credit is excess, then what to do? Suspense account should be open. Then, if errors are not located, you have given your full efforts but errors are not located, then preparation of financial account is necessary. Suspense account is not closed and it is transferred to the next accounting period. See, if you are unable to find out the errors, then what to do? Remain the balance of suspense account and show it in the final account. And whenever you will have after submission of financial statements, then that time you will search the error. Generally, income tax authority says first find out the errors, what is the reason. Auditors will come, CA will check your accounts. That time you will find out what are the errors. Suspense account is not closed, it is transferred to the next account. I am sure you will get the theory of rectification of errors, and from next class we will start numericals.